Hello and welcome to the Food Algorithm. I am Garima, and exactly as you could guess, we're going to talk about the Giloy plant today. Since the pandemic arrived, we all have been extensively listening and using Giloy in the form of tablets, juices, but everybody has been emphasizing upon Giloy to build immunity, to take care of your health. Today, let's try to find out why. Giloy has always been used as a great Ayurvedic herb and a medicinal plant since ages. So, not just now in the recent times that we are realizing its property, it has always been very well accepted by everywhere and especially Ayurveda. So, not just the recent times that we have started realizing the importance of Giloy and have included and accepted it beautifully. It had always been a very important Ayurvedic herb used either in the form of its stem or the roots as well. It has been really well accepted by the Ayurveda since ages. Now let's try to find out how, and please don't forget to watch a quick Kara remedy right at the end. Giloy is a powerful immunity booster. Yes, Giloy has been significantly used to boost immunity. It helps you get rid of any sort of blood infections, to purify, to detox, fight bacterial infections, and basically build immunity. It just strengthens your health cells, and that is why you have basic allergy, you got flu, cough, fever, viral, or even something as big as a heart disease or infertility. Giloy is extremely helpful to cure any such problem. Another wonderful benefit that we have with Giloy is that it helps treating any sort of chronic fever. As the season changes, we usually face problems like dengue, malaria, seasonal flu, viral fever, etc. Giloy is antipyretic and therefore it helps fighting the symptoms and effect of these kind of different fevers on your body. So it's not just a basic immunity booster, it's gonna fight against any such illness. And now comes the next benefit. Extremely beneficial for diabetic patients, especially diabetes type 2. It has been observed and has been recommended by most of the doctors that consuming Giloy juice regularly reduces blood sugar levels. So, Giloy really helps in also treating the respiratory related problems. We must have observed that a few people catch cough, cold, tonsils very frequently with a change of weather, change of place, and that is basically due to the respiratory infections. Giloy has extremely good anti-inflammatory properties which really help fight any such infections. So just try to consume these in the form of tablets and juices and you're going to fight all these infections just like that. Since we've already seen so many benefits of Giloy, the next one is especially for the asthma patient. Chest tightness, coughing, wheezing. There are so many things an asthmatic patient goes through. But did you know it has been highly recommended that if you chew Giloy root or you start consuming Giloy juice on regular basis, this is extremely beneficial for any sort of asthma. So do try. We have just seen how wonderfully beneficial Giloy is for various diseases and health products. But did you also know it is extremely beneficial when it comes to beauty usage? Yes, it reduces signs of aging. It helps the skin glow. It helps you fight pimples, acne, and it also helps you get rid of any sort of blemishes or skin problems. So, isn't that amazing? Just with regular consumption of Giloy juice every day, empty stomach, you can get beautiful glowing skin. Now, who wanna miss that? Now, let's quickly move to the recipe of the day. Easy and extremely good to boost your immunity. This is how beautiful the plant looks. And we are basically interested in this stem. We just are almost going to take this much size of stem for the tea that we are going to prepare. So let's go ahead with that. For the Giloy immunity drink, you require some Giloy stem, black pepper, cinnamon stick, cardamom, ginger, and if you have tulsi leaves at home, nothing like it. We'll add all of these to a glass of water Let it boil until the water reduces to half. Let's just look how it looks. Now as the kara is almost ready, I like to add a bit of honey to it. Stay tuned and stay healthy.